Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com. We're making a video today for expertvillage.com, and we're making a cell phone holder, and we're making a Victorian flower garden on our cell phone holder. We have our first flower already attached, and now we're going to attach a pearl. We're taking our wire and we're just putting it in through the back of the bracelet. We're going to attach a 8mm pearl to the wire. Just string it on the wire. And we're going to pull it down and make sure that it's right close to the wires that we're already using. We're going to put the wire through the back and attach it right there. Again, we're going on a diagonal with our first flower down here and then our pearl, and then we'll add the second flower. This will be the dark flower with the iridescent center, and putting on the base, then the center, the middle part, and for this center we're going to be using a gold seed bead for the center of this flower. Again, going back down through both of the first two parts that we put on and pulling the wire tight.